S&P 500 right now is the bottom, or this is just a rebound. Today, I will give you the insight from the chart and also the strategy. Welcome to YM channel. This channel is about trading strategy and money mindset to help you make more and learn more. Click like, subscribe, share with a friend. Also, I will teach you the strategy, how to see there is a big opportunity for the big bull run. Okay, I know some people ask me, is it long hold or is it short hold? I will give you the strategy and how to read from the chart. For the S&P 500 first, the first question is, what should we do now? What is the strategy? Is it the bottom of the cycle or whatever, right? I want you to look at purely the blue line first, the blue line. Right now, we're going downward. Although we go above the blue line, okay? So it is still downward. So this is still a downward trend, okay? Remember this. The second is, if you combine with YM Club Fast, short term, this is my indicator, by the way. YM Club Long tell you the trend line, the red line to tell you the fast check line. Okay, so basically, the red short term going upward, the blue, the regular term is going downward. What does it mean? This is a rebound. This is a rebound. Okay, this is a rebound. With you can see this one as with the first resistance first, 5,500 for S&P 500. Okay, and then you can also check. This is also there's a gap here. This is a bottom here, and there's another gap here. Okay, so this is a quite a strong critical area. As long as the blue is still going downward, this is still a rebound. So it means we use short-term strategy. If you have stock, once they go above, now they go above, we go above, we buy here, you can buy here, you can buy here, because they go above the red, they go above the blue. Okay, but remember, as long as the blue is still going downward, we use the red line as a cut loss or stop gain price. Once they drop below the red, we run. That's it. That's it. Why? Because this is still a downward trend. When they change to upward trend, we can always buy back, right? Okay, now this is a daily chart. We have fund coming in periodically, so I will expect they will have a bit more rebounds. But so far, we are still in the rebounds. Okay, is it possible we are at the bottom right now? It is possible, but minimum they need to change the trend first, right? Otherwise, you cannot never tell this is a bottom or this is at the middle. So far, we tell you this is a downward trend. It doesn't change anything here. Okay, the trend line is downward trend. You use short-term strategy. It means you get your profit and then run. Okay, so the second thing I want you to look at is weekly chart. I know many people screaming, either they are because they lost so much or because they're screaming to buy. Both sides screaming to sell, screaming to buy. So everyone is in a panic. So if we look at this chart, let's say you don't have my indicator, I can also teach you how to read the support and resistance, which is quite important. So we look at this line first. Okay, this is our support. That's why they stop here. We touch the previous, not previous peak, sorry, one of the peak here, back to 2022 January. Okay, and now we stop here. We stop here. We better not to drop again. Okay, if otherwise it will go to the next support. Okay, let's say you have my indicator. I want to teach you how to see any big opportunity like this or like this. Okay, so we just use two lines, which is YM Club Long, YM Club Super Long. Usually I will use red line for weekly chart, but I'm going to teach you this strategy is to see the big opportunity, long and super long. Click it on. This one just to see the opportunity. When both lie in the same direction and going upward, they move the faster that way. The best is three line, same direction. They move the faster ever to go upward. It's just like the timing is good, the money is good, the people is good. They run, 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 run. all the way up. Okay. And right now you can see here, right? They have a golden cross and then they go all the way up. Now we're about to have a death cross, which means the blue line cross downward to the purple line. This, look at here. When we have a death cross, if we does not change the direction, we will have a strong resistance as a blue line and they go downward. Okay, we are just at the point here. We need to change the direction, but it would take a while to change the direction. Remember that. Okay. For example, like this one, it can change the direction like this. Okay, it's possible. It's possible. Look at the beautiful V shape bottom. Okay, so we need same two line in the same direction for the long bull one. This is the answer for how to see there's an opportunity. Okay, you want to buy like here. Okay, so this is not buy sell point. This is just to tell you how to see this is a big opportunity, right? Okay, so if what happened if the blue cross the purple and purple turn down, that would be bad, like this one or this one. Okay, so hopefully we are here like this. Okay, so now we compare with the, some people tell me to compare with the YM chip entry because this means institution come in. For example, in 2020, we have a V shape, exactly the same pattern, and we have chips come in, which is YM chip entry here, right? V shape, YM chip entry, right? But here also we have YM chip entry here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like we have few area here. The entire area institution buying. Okay, so we are not yet sure. Basically, is it possible we are like this one? We are like this one? Not yet. But we know, is it a good time to have a this kind of bull one? Not yet. Some people say, oh, but if you buy here, it's already too late. You're not buying at the bottom. Well, this is depends how you trade, right? You want to be safe long haul, or you want to be more maximize your profit. You can do both, but you need to learn more. Today, I just give you a simple idea how to see this is a big opportunity. For example, here, right? You are doing this period. Will you sell the stock easily? No, especially for you, the long-term investor. Okay, I just want to tell you the long-term investor. If you want to hold like this, you look at the weekly chart. Okay, and also you look at the YM Club Super Long. Right now, we don't have the big opportunity yet. Is it too late to buy here? No. If you look back here, you look like a superhero to buy here. The whole area. Okay. Of course, it's good to buy with YM chip entry, which is the institution holding. Where they buy, we follow. That's it. So easy. Okay. So right now, what is the strategy after all? Listen, we have YM chip entry. Institution did come in, and we go back to the daily chart for operation buy sell point. We do have buy point. We do have the buy point already. This one and YM Club Fast is going up also. The strategy to sell is if you buy with the red, you sell with the red, especially when the blue going downward. Okay, because this is a rebound, not yet the blue, not yet the blue one. Second, if you buy with the blue, you can sell with the blue, but as long as the blue is going downward, you still sell with the red. Clear? Okay, so this is a very easy strategy. We have buy signal already, which is previously here around 9th of April, and also this candle 22nd of April, and also 23rd of April. But if you're very safe investor and you don't have my indicator, be careful because this is a downward trend. We are using short-term trading strategy. So you need to watch very closely. I highly recommend you have your strategy or you buy my indicator. Okay, either way, don't buy without knowing any information. or any strategy. Okay, so this is the update for S&P 500, and I see you in the next video for Tesla. Bye.